How to reset mouse settings on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to restore your mouse back to its default settings quickly and easily. First, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left side menu. At this point, click on Mouse to open your mouse settings. In the next step, you'll see options for pointer speed, scrolling, and button configuration. Go through each one and set them back to their default values. From there, set the mouse pointer speed slider back to the middle position. This is the default speed. At this stage, make sure primary mouse button is set to left and scroll direction is set to the default option. Following this, scroll down and click on Additional Mouse Settings to open the classic mouse properties panel let me show you. Once done, click on the Pointer Options tab at the top. From there, drag the pointer speed slider back to the middle and make sure Enhance Pointer Precision is checked. At this stage, click on the Pointers tab and click on Use Default to restore the default mouse cursor style. Following this, click on Apply and then OK to save all the changes. Finally, if your mouse is still not behaving correctly after resetting, try unplugging it and plugging it back in. Or restart your PC by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Restart to apply all the changes cleanly. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your mouse settings on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.